Hey guys, welcome back to our chapter book reading of Wonder. As you remember, we are still on Justin's point of view. He is Olivia's or Via's boyfriend. We are going to go ahead and get started. Here we go. Next chapter is called Bird. We'll find out. Why didn't you tell me that you and Miranda used to be friends? I say to Olivia the next day. I'm really annoyed at her for not telling me this. It's not a big deal, she answers defensively, looking at me like I'm weird. It is a big deal, I say. I look like an idiot. How could you not tell me? You've always acted like you don't even know her. I don't know her, she answers quickly. I don't know who that pink-haired cheerleader is. The girl I knew was a total dork who collected American Girl dolls. Oh, come on, Olivia. You come on. You could have mentioned it to me at some point, I say quietly, pretending not to notice the tear that's suddenly rolling down her cheek. She shrugs, fighting back even bigger tears. It's okay. I'm not mad, I say, thinking the tears are about me. I honestly don't care if you're mad, she says spitefully. Oh, that's real nice, I fired back. She doesn't say anything. The tears are about to come. Olivia, what's the matter? I say. She shakes her head like she doesn't want to talk about it. But all of a sudden, the tears are rolling a mile a minute. I'm sorry, it's not you, Justin. I'm not crying because of you, she finally says through her tears. Then why are you crying? Because I'm an awful person. What are you talking about? She's not looking at me, wiping her tears with the palm of her hand. I haven't told my parents about the show, she says quickly. I shake my head because I don't quite get what she's telling me. That's okay, I say. It's not too late. There are still tickets available. I don't want them to come to the show, Justin, she interrupts me. Don't you see what I'm saying? I don't want them to come. If they come, they'll bring Augie with them, and I don't feel like. Here she's hit by another round of crying that doesn't let her finish talking. I put my arm around her. I'm an awful person, she says through her tears. You're not an awful person, I say softly. Yes, I am, she sobs. It's just been so nice being in a new school where nobody knows about him, you know? Nobody's whispering about it behind my back. It's just been so nice, Justin. But if he comes to the play, then everyone will talk about it. Everyone will know. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I swear, I've never been embarrassed by him before. I know, I say, soothing her. You're entitled, Olivia. You've dealt with a lot your whole life. Olivia reminds me of a bird sometimes. How her feathers get all ruffled up when she's mad. And when she's fragile like this, she's a little lost bird looking for its nest. So I give her my wing to hide under. Next chapter. The universe. I can't sleep tonight. My head is full of thoughts that won't turn off. Lines from my monologues, elements of the periodic table that I'm supposed to be memorizing, theorems I'm supposed to be understanding. Olivia, Augie. Miranda's words keep coming back. The universe was not kind to Augie Pullman. Sorry, guys. My dog just ran past me and it was really cute. um, that was cute. I'm thinking about that a lot and everything it means. She's right about that. The universe was not kind to Augie Pullman. What did that little kid ever do to deserve his sentence? What did the parents do? Or Olivia? She once mentioned that some doctor told her parents that the odds of someone getting that same combination of syndromes that came together to make Augie's face were like 1 in 4 million. So, doesn't that make the universe a giant lottery then? You purchase a ticket when you're born, and it's all just random whether you get a good ticket or a bad ticket. It's just luck. My head swirls on this, but then softer thoughts soothe, like a flatted third on a major chord. No, 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 it's not random at all. If it really was random, the universe would abandon us completely, and the universe doesn't. It takes care of its most fragile creations in ways we can't see. Like with parents who adore you blindly, and a big sister who feels guilty for being human over you, and a little gravely voiced kid whose friends have left him over you, and even a pink-haired girl who carries your picture in her wallet. Maybe it's a lottery, but the universe makes it all even out in the end. The universe takes care of all its birds. Okay, it looks like now we're on to part 6, and it says August. So it looks like now we're going to go to August's point of view. So we just had Justin the boyfriend. Now we're going to August. Okay. North Pole. The Spud lamp was a big hit at the science fair. Jack and I got an A for it, and it was the first A Jack had gotten class all year long. He was psyched. All the science fair projects were set up on the table in the gym. It was the same setup as the Egyptian Museum back in December, except this time there were volcanoes and molecular dioramas on the tables instead of pyramids and pharaohs. And instead of the kids taking our parents around to look at everyone's artifact, we had to stand by our tables while all the parents wandered around the room and came over to us one by one. Here's the math on that one. 60 kids in the grade equals 60 sets of parents, and doesn't even include grandparents. So that's a minimum of 120 pairs of eyes that find their way over to me. Eyes that aren't as used to me as their kids' eyes are by now. It's like how compass needles always point north. No matter which way you're facing, all those eyes are compasses, and it's like I'm the North Pole. That's why I don't like school events that include parents. I don't hate them as much as I did at the beginning of the school year, like Thanksgiving Sharing Festival. That one was the worst, I think. That was the first time I had to face the parents all at once. The Egyptian Museum came after that, but that one was okay because I got to dress up as a mummy and no one noticed me. Then came the winter concert, which I totally hated because I had to sing in the chorus. Not only can I not sing at all, but I felt like I was on display. The New Year art show wasn't quite as bad, but it was still annoying. They put up our artwork in the hallway all over school and had the parents come and check it out. It was like starting school all over again, having unsuspecting adults pass me on the stairway. Anyway, it's not that I care that people react to me. Like I've said a gazillion times, I'm used to that by now. I don't let it bother me. It's like when you go outside and it's drizzling a little. You don't put on boots for a drizzle. You don't even open your umbrella. You just walk through it and you barely notice your hair getting wet. But when it's a huge gym full of parents, the drizzle becomes like this total hurricane. Everyone's eyes hit you like water. Oh, geez. Mom and Dad hang around my table a lot, along with Jack's parents. It's kind of funny how parents actually end up forming little groups of their own. Like my parents and Jack's and Summer's moms all like and get along together. And I see Julian's parents hang out with Henry's parents and Miles' parents. And even the two Max's parents hang out together. It's kind of funny. I told Mom and Dad about it later when we were walking home, and they thought it was a funny observation. I guess it's true that like seeks like, said Mom. Let's see the next chapter. We are going to actually save this next chapter for tomorrow. It's a little longer. So make sure you go on, answer the question of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.